So we brought the Mac 1010 out for testing this afternoon, and well, we couldn't get this piece of shit Mac to run, so piece of junk. So we couldn't get that piece of junk 1010 running, so I brought the brought a parts box with me for it and whatnot. We're just loading up the tools for the trade here. 260 Remington. We'll fix that 1010 right quick. We found a Mac in its natural habitat. Look, we found a Mac. I think it threw a rod though today. I'm just saying, or piston.
Piston broke.
It threw something out. We just don't know what yet.